This guide shows how to assemble your YVY K20 after unboxing. Open the carton and remove the small parts box first. Keep all hardware together. Lift the bike by the frame, never pull or lift it by the cables. Cut the packaging one section at a time. Keep the scissors away from cables and the frame. Remove the remaining foam and place every loose part where you can see it. Confirm the wheel, fender, light, pedals, tools, and hardware are present. Hold the front clamp plate while removing the 4 bolts. Keep all 4 bolts together. Place the handlebar in the center of the clamp. Make sure no cable is twisted. Start all 4 bolts by hand, then tighten them gradually in an X pattern. Keep both clamp gaps even. Match the connector arrows and push straight until fully seated. Never twist or force the plug. Identify the headlight and its mounting hardware. Keep the washers in the shown order. Place the headlight between the brackets and start both mounting bolts by hand. Point the light straight ahead, then tighten both mounting points evenly. Remove the fork shipping spacer and make sure both dropouts are clear. Prepare the front wheel and axle hardware. Lift the front wheel into the fork. Guide the brake rotor between the pads, do not bend it. Push both axle ends fully into the fork dropouts. Both sides must sit at the same depth. Reinstall the washers and nuts in their original order, then tighten both sides evenly. Install the center fender bolt, but leave it slightly loose for alignment. Attach both fender stays and start the hardware by hand. Center the fender over the tire and make the clearance even on both sides. Tighten the center bolt and both stays. Make sure no hardware can touch the tire. Find the R and L marks before installing the pedals. Install the R pedal on the chain side. Turn it clockwise by hand. Install the L pedal on the left side and turn it counterclockwise by hand. Use the wrench only after the threads turn smoothly. Squeeze both brake levers. They should feel firm and return normally. Operate the shifter while the rear wheel turns. Confirm the chain moves smoothly. Turn fully left and right. No cable should pull tight. Before the first ride, spin both wheels, check every fastener, set tire pressure to the range printed on the tire, and confirm the battery is locked. If anything feels loose, rubs, or does not work correctly, stop. If you still have questions, contact our support team through your order on the platform where you made your purchase.